आज भारत रत्न बाबा साहेब डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जी का 130वीं जयंती हम मना रहे हैं। हमें खुशी है इस मौके पर पार्टी की तरफ से INC TV डिजिटल लॉन्च किया जा रहा है। हम चाहते हैं कि कांग्रेस के विचारों का व्यापक प्रसार और प्रचार इसके माध्यम से हो। और बाबा साहब अंबेडकर जी ने जो बातें बहुत पहले ही कही थी वो आज सच हो रहे हैं। मैं उदाहरण के तौर पर आपको 3 बातें बताऊंगा जो उन्होंने खासकर पत्रिका के बारे में कही थी। और वो हमेशा अपने लोगों से कहते थे, कोई समाज, कोई विचार अगर उसको जीवित रखना है तो 3 चीजों की आवश्यकता होती है। एक विचार यानी आइडियोलॉजी, थिंकिंग। दूसरा आचार यानी अनुष्ठान में लाना। तीसरा प्रचार। आचार, विचार और प्रचार, अगर ये 3 चीज किसी संस्था में, किसी समाज में अगर होते हैं तो वो आइडियोलॉजी बहुत दिन तक चलती है और लोगों को उसका फायदा होता है। लेकिन आज उनके विचारों को खत्म करने के लिए मोदी सरकार हर तरीके की कोशिश कर रही है। संविधान तो अच्छा है, संविधान अगर कितना भी अच्छा हो, अगर संविधान को चलाने वाले लोग अगर अच्छे नहीं तो संविधान बुरा हो सकता है।
I would like to start by paying my deep respect and tribute to Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who gave us our constitution. And I would like to also thank you all for being present here at the launch of our INC digital channel. Just to reiterate what our leader Kharge ji said, that every 11 minutes there is an attack on a scheduled caste person in this country. And this data does not come from the Congress platform, but this data is backed by the NCRB. And what I have to reiterate is that the SC sub-plan, which was the vision of the UPA of the Congress party, has been repeatedly diluted by the NDA government, by the BJP government. Although the need for the sub-plan remains given the status of this community in our country, but clearly the Bharatiya Janata Party is insensitive to that need, and you all have seen repeatedly, budget after budget, how that has been diluted. I have to say, if we talk about atrocities on the scheduled caste brothers and sisters of this country, we must hold out and must highlight that the example of Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh stands out. It has been seen how the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Ajay Bisht ji, visits a Dalit home but ensures that they are bathed first. It has been seen even in Karnataka with Yediyurappa ji, that how he visits a scheduled caste community's household but makes sure that the food is from the hotel. This is exactly the discrimination and the mindset that our constitution wants to protect our people from. And especially, we have to say that this government has proved again and again and again, wherever it is in power in the states and at the center, that it repeatedly acts against the interest and security of the scheduled caste people. One small data I would like to give is in UP itself, the attacks on scheduled caste community has risen to 11,829, which is almost 25.8% in the entire country. And I hope that is evidence enough to tell us all how anti-scheduled caste community the Bharatiya Janata Party and its chief ministers are. Thank you.